So I'm back with another hair care kit for you guys, and this time it's from Vedix. If you guys do not know, make sure you watch this video till the end to know my review for Vedix. So Vedix is a brand which makes personalized hair care kit, and especially Ayurvedic personalized hair care kit, as their box already says. So this is the box which Vedix has sent me. What is inside it and what are my reviews about it, you'll get to know about it in the video. But I'll just take a minute to talk here about what are the faidas of using customized hair care kit and stuff like that. There's a lot of customized skincare and hair care brands available in the market, but Vedix specializes in customizing the hair care through Ayurveda. Talking about how they do that, they also give you a detailed questionnaire. Now, when I say detailed, it really means detailed. They will ask you questions. आपको लगेगा कि क्या is it even relevant? But yes, they do ask you questions because what they do is कि वो आपके पूरी body की state को analyze करना चाहते हैं, and they want to know that if you're facing excessive hair fall, if your scalp is too dry, if you're getting too much of dandruff, then there must be something in your body which is up and down, जिस वजह से ये चीजें हो रही हैं, which you answer. Once you answer it, they tell you what they are going to recommend. And the questionnaire which they give, they basically call it as Vedix Dosha Assessment. And this particular questionnaire has been built up in the span of 2 years. And it is approved by Ayurvedic doctors, so you do not need to worry about that. Another thing is that their formulations are clinically tested, so you do not need to worry about that. And let me quickly show you what they sent me. It's a very cute little cardboard box, and this is how it opens. It's magnetic, so badhiya laga mujhe. The second thing is they give you this jute bag inside. Obviously the bill is also here. Then they give you a jute bag, to give you the Ayurvedic feels, which has Vedix written on it. And you have these 3 products. So one is Anti-hairfall Oil. The another thing is a serum. And the third thing is shampoo. Let me quickly show you the shampoo also. So these are the sizes of 1 month supply, and this is 100 ml of oil and 100 ml of shampoo and 50 ml of a serum. Since I've been trying a lot of products for you guys, but then I had to put out this video, so I could not try it for a month for sure because I was trying the other hair care products for you. I have used it for like 3 to 4 washes, and I'm going to give you my review on that basis. So let's start with the first step. As obvious, I'll be starting with the hair oil. This is the Vedix Anti-hairfall hair oil. This is silicone free. This has herbal ingredients and everything like that. Whatever it is, it's specified on the bottle. It's 100 ml of quantity, as I said. Now this oil is really super lightweight. They say you need to apply it every alternate day for first 3 months. And then, you can apply it twice a week for the maintenance purposes. That's what the bottle says. Oil is something I've really fallen in love with because it's so lightweight. And if they say कि आपको हर दूसरे दिन लगाना पड़ेगा, so oil does not have to be sticky, because that's what make people avoid oil a lot. And it is really lightweight. It gets absorbed in your scalp super easily. If you're not someone who goes crazy with oiling, you can definitely apply it every second day. It's very lightweight. Another thing which I noticed after using this oil is that it actually hydrates my hair shaft. So that's my review for hair oil. Let's quickly get to the shampoo. And this is how the shampoo looks like. It's a pump bottle, very normal, very nice and cute little bottle. This has been particularly helpful after, oiling. Because what happens, I was at first, जब मैंने oil लगाया, I was very conscious कि ये हटेगा भी या नहीं इस शैम्पू से, because it's like Ayurvedic, you're not sure ना कि Ayurvedic प्रोडक्ट शैम्पू हटाते हैं या नहीं, ऑयल हटाते हैं या नहीं. प्लस दिस सल्फेट एंड पैराबेन फ्री, सो आई वाज नॉट रियली श्योर कि क्या इतना ऑयल मैंने लगा लिया है, बिकॉज मुझे वो इतना लाइट वेट ऑयल था, लगा ही नहीं कि मैंने इतना सारा लगाया, कहाँ चला गया. तो मैंने पहले वो ऑयल लगाया एंड देन आई यूज दिस शैम्पू. इट वॉज वेरी मच easily removed from my hair, so that's what the shampoo did. Then second thing I was afraid of was कि शायद ये मेरे बालों को थोड़ा frizzy बना देगा, but no, my hair retained the same texture, not texture, like the जो भी उनका fall होता है first day पे, it was just like that. With the help of this shampoo, there was no frizziness at all, so that's what I'm gonna give to this product. क्योंकि generally natural hair care और Ayurvedic hair care में क्या होता है कि बाल थोड़े frizzy हो जाते हैं, but that did not happen with this shampoo. Again, about the hair fall, I cannot actually claim कि yes मेरा hair fall कम हुआ है या कुछ, but I cannot see any adverse effect. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगा हो या बहुत बाल टूट रहे हो, dry हो रहे हो. So for me, till the time nothing wrong happens, it's fine, it's good. Now let's move on to the serum. This is how the serum looks like, and this is my least used product. Like, इसको शायद मैंने 2 से 3 बार यूज किया। आई टेल यू द रीजन व्हाई। सो दिस इज लाइक अ हेयर रीग्रोथ सिरम एंड इसको आपको रात में लगाना है अपने बालों पे एवरी डे, बट मैं इसे बहुत कम लगा पाई बिकॉज इसका ड्रॉपर इतना अनोइंग है। इट्स लाइक मतलब आई डोंट नो, इट डजंट इवन पुल आउट अ फ्यू ड्रॉप। तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा अनॉय होके इसको यूज ही नहीं किया। सो आई कैन नॉट एक्चुअली गिव यू माई रिव्यू, बट ऑयल एंड शैम्पू हैव बीन ग्रेट and I think if you subscribe for their plans, you will really see the benefits because I did not see any damage, I did not see any frizziness, I did not see any बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल या कुछ भी, मतलब ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगा। बट माई हेयर वर रियली सॉफ्ट, दे वर नॉट हार्ड टू टच। या जो नए शैम्पूज मैं ट्राई करती हूँ मेरे बालों पे, कभी वो बहुत गंदा इफेक्ट दिखाते हैं, कभी ओके दिखाते हैं, बट दिस वॉज नॉर्मल। इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक माई एनी अदर शैम्पू, बट देन it is giving you the goodness of Ayurveda. So that's why I recommend it to you guys. You can subscribe for any plan that you like. So they have 3 options. Let me just quickly tell you. So they have one option which is like 1 month supply, that is priced at rupees 1699. The next thing is if you subscribe for 3 months of supply, basically they'll be sending you a kit every 3 months, and the price for that particular kit is rupees 1499. And then they have their 6 months plan, 6 month subscription based plan, which is the cheapest one obviously. It is for 999. If I talk about the brand, they have a lot of claims to make. They say that they use plant-based ingredients, they are skin and hair friendly, they do not have any side effects, no harmful chemicals, cruelty-free, no animal testing, result-oriented mechanism, skin and hair friendly, they are 100% safe, natural and chemical-free Ayurvedic formulation. So this is what brand claims. But I cannot claim that yes, it reduces hair fall because मैंने इतना ज़्यादा इसको use नहीं किया है। किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को काम करने में प्रॉपर 1 महीना 2 महीना लगता है। सो बी रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट दैट टाइम व्हेन you are actually trying out a new product. On this high note, I would like to say bye because this is all we had for today's video, and this is all I had to talk about the Vedix hair oil, shampoo and serum. So let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is ritranshi.me. You can ask me any questions there also. But that's all for now. Let me know what you have to say about the video. Make sure you hit the like button before leaving because there's always something likeable in the video. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon. Till then, bye.